Hey guys, it's Lizzie again, and we're here at the west entrance of Yellowstone on Christmas Tree Road, as Theodore Roosevelt once called it. I'm here to talk to you today about biodiversity loss. The park faces many challenges such as soil erosion, overfishing leading to the decline of the trout population, and forest fires and climate change leading to more forest fires and loss of habitat. Here behind us we can see that a ton of trees have fallen down, leading to animals losing their home. But the park does do many measures to help prevent this and preserve the wildlife. Tony, does the insurance world face any similar problems?
The insurance industry is facing very similar problems when it comes to loss of diversity. In the products that are offered, it has become such a commoditized industry that everything is becoming the same, except the emerging risk of natural disaster. And insurance has to change its policies and create new products to manage for this very different and emerging type of risk, which is natural disasters, which we can see evidence right behind us.